This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Magnitude 36 rupees is a Super CRV. It is located in Ashland, Virginia, 23005 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Magnitude 36 rupees is built on a Ford F600 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.